Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy HJ. Welcome back to HJ's Garage. Today we're going to Santapod for the BMW show, guys. I'm going to take you with me. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it is currently 5:45 in the morning, earliest I've woken up in a while. I know we've not uploaded a video in some time, life's kind of got in the way lately, but we're going to be back at it, back uploading videos for you guys. So we're going to go to the BMW show Lite at Santapod in Northampton. It's about a 2-hour drive away. So we're actually convoying up from here up to Northampton. Going to meet some of the boys in about 10-15 minutes down the road at a Shell petrol station. So I'm going to take you guys with me on this journey today. It's the first show that a lot of us have been to since the pandemic started last year, so we're really looking forward to it. So the car's all ready, it's inside the garage. I'll take you with me. So yeah, had the car like sort of detailed to a certain degree. I mean, I know the lighting's not the best, but yeah, the car is looking really good. Spent mostly the whole day cleaning it up, and we've managed to make it really shine today. So we're just gonna head out and we're gonna get going. So we're just gonna start the car up. Alright guys, so we're at Shell, still waiting for Sam to turn up with his M6, he's late as always. We've got an M5, my car obviously, supercharged M3, another M5, and another M5, and another M5. So it looks like we're going for an M5 meet, not so much a BMW meet. Well, less so anyway. Alright, so we've just got to Beaconsfield services. So that's our this is our actually second stop of the trip. First one was Shell. So here, as you can finally see, the M6 has finally arrived with us, with Sam being late as usual. So it's gonna be a good day, guys. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás. Y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo que quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así. Y por fin te conseguí. Hey everyone, so we are currently in line for Santapod. Quite a long queue actually. We've not done too bad on time either. So we got a few more shots of some cars whilst we were at the Tesco. So I'll take you guys through this day. I hope you're enjoying it so far. So we're finally here, guys. Finally at Santapod. So here we are at Santapod. We finally made it. Sam is still currently cleaning his car when everyone else is done, including Mikey.
Did you spend 20 minutes talking to Buffy? Don't think so.
Well, you didn't wash your car quick enough, did you? But yeah, so we're here. It's a really good turnout actually, surprising considering you know, it's the first meet since lockdown. But some really nice cars out here today. But we'll definitely show you around some of them. And for everyone who's been asking, that is Sam's M6 with the ESS supercharger. And here's Juvis with his really very nice Interlagos blue M5.
Non-supercharged.
Non-supercharged, but still runs really well.
Next year.
For blessings, I've been taking L's and I lost they lessons. Addicted to money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it'll be my profession. To tell you the truth, I don't got no confessions. I don't know why lately I feel aggression. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I keep taking L's, then I lost they lessons. And this dude better not ruin my session. I'm still getting money during a recession. I don't try, but somehow I be flexing, and that's probably why you're bitching on section. You can come outside without protection. You still last if you end up in second. Pussy good got me coming in second. They all throwing shots, but out in my direction. Heard you moving wrong, then we making correction. Robert Lily while we texting. I know you want some affection. I told God I need something better than blessing. Put on my gifts, time to open the present. No credit, all cash, straight president. Says she wanna fuck, tell her meet me at my residence. Body to beat them, getting rid of evidence. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I've been taking L's and I lost they lessons. Addicted to money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it'll be my profession. To tell you the truth, I don't got no confessions. I don't know why lately I feel aggression. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I keep taking L's, then I lost they lessons. I lost they lessons. Cause don't be scamming it only work if your bank account checkings. Once you get a certain level of knowledge, just try use your mind as a weapon. And I don't wanna take my daughter to the doctor, they try and give her shots and injections. Go ahead, go shoot your shot, get rejected. Heard you challenge me, well I accept it. You kept a dragging the whole situation, I told you that you should've left it. And my flow is so sick, if you listen to this, that mean you...
Here's one of my mates' cars, Mike. It's a supercharged E92 M3. Beautiful car. Individual color. Can't remember it, but Petrol Mica is the color. It's an individual. Interior is lush, extended leather, really lovely car. It's done some really nice mods to this. So obviously, apart from the supercharger, it's got the wing. He's got some AMG Brembos on the front, along with the Forge Star F14s. Really beautiful car. So this is Sam's E63 M6. Supercharged with the ESS kit. We fitted that a few years ago now. Really good kit. So he's also got F10 M5 brakes, 400mm discs, absolutely huge. And he's got R35 GTR calipers on the rear. Fit up so nicely. And this is an Indianapolis red, which is I think one of the best colors they made for the M6. Some really nice mods. What I'm planning to do in the next few weeks possibly is to do a review on this, take it for a spin and show you guys what this car is all about. This has got to be one of my favorite cars of the show, if I'm honest. Z4 with a wide body. Really nice looking car. On air ride, I think it looks so dope, especially in speed yellow. So we've just finished at Santapod today. Really good day out actually, good fun. So we're just about to leave Sam on 3rd place in Show and Shine, which he's very happy about. So guys, if you enjoyed what you saw today, I know it's a little bit different from the usual car work, but if you enjoyed what you saw today, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate all your support. It really does mean a lot, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Take it easy guys, peace.